Miss Amston, a kindergarten teacher at Thurgood Marshall Elementary. This activity is called dry erase writing. For this activity, your child will need their dry erase board, dry erase marker, and something to erase with, like a tissue. This dry erase writing is an open activity with many options for practicing writing. Your child can practice writing their name, which is a very important skill for entering kindergarten. They could also choose a foam letter or a flashcard and practice writing the letter that they've chosen. This is the letter Y. Your child could practice writing Y. Another option is to have your child look for words in their environment and then write those words down on the whiteboard. I'm in Miss Sorensen's room right now at Thurgood Marshall, and I see she has the word day on the board. Day on the whiteboard. We call this writing words in the environment. Gently prompt your child to make sure that they use the lines on the whiteboard as their guide for where to start and end letters. Have fun!